Hello everyone, Balmy Jester here, and today I'm going to be carrying on with Dead Space. So, let's get on with it. Press that.
Liquid nitrogen replenished. Beginning enzyme synthesis. Enzyme synthesis complete. Caution, do not ingest.
Press it again. Yeah?
Any luck?
There you go.
Yeah, I finished the enzyme. It's been modified to digest something big.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Okay. I haven't... Bloody hell, get your words out, Jester. Good God. I have enough ammo. I should be fine. Could really do with some more plasma cutter ammo though. How many nodes do I have? 0. Fuck! Damn it.
No. Go back. There's no way into food storage. Even if there was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan, is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team has destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. It just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. The people I sent to medical never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Oh my god. How? Listen, we need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get into food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay, so if I get to your team and inject them,
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the WHEEZERS. End their suffering. And when the Leviathan is weak enough, we vent the bastard into space.
Okay then. Back we go. Inject the WHEEZERS. Okay, where are the WHEEZERS? Through here, yep. Alright. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, why do I always have such a problem with doors? They never open quick enough. Alright. Oh, what's that? Credits. Weapon upgrade. The Ripper. Alright. I'm taking that now. Okay, in this one. The bench. I have no nodes. So I will come back when I have some nodes. Oh yes, that's what I need. Can I go in here? No.
Level 3 security clearance required.
Grabbing everything. And up we go. Come on, where are these WHEEZERS? Okay, big open space. Yeah. I'm gonna get bombarded by enemies. Come on, ammo. Not Medigel. Ammo. Not money. Ammo. Oh, for the... There you go. Right. Let me just have a quick look round here. Please, nothing jump on me. Leave me alone. Oh, for fuck. No. No! You sneaky little shit. Where do you come from? Oh my god. Alright, alright. Oh, please die. There's another one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit, shit, shit. Down. Oh, for fuck's sake, really? You're not spitting that at me. Oh, okay, you are. Ah! Oh my god! Why don't you ever die? Fuck you! Oh god. Yeah, give me more plasma. Give it to me. Actually. Goodbye! Oh, for the love of God, really? Bloody hell. Alright. Give me that. Give me that. Can't believe I nearly died there. To use my large medi. Okay, back to what I was doing. Let me just have a look around. Good God.
Clearance confirmed.
Yeah, okay. Force good. Okay. The fuck was that? Force energy. Alright, let me just sort this weapon out. Alright. Equip. Let's put it there.
Clearance confirmed.
I appreciate the money. Credits and all that. I need ammo! Are they dead? Shit, creeping up on me. Bloody hell, you got destroyed. Give me that money. Oh. Here we go. Hello, Weezer. Gonna have to kill you now.
I've tried. Get in close and try injecting the enzyme. Toxic hazard clear.
Oh, I pissed something off. There you go. Alright. Do you have anything for me? Anything at all? No. Nothing. Bloody pulse rounds. I'm glad it's giving me ammo, but you know, I wouldn't mind some for the plasma cutter. I'm going back in. Hell yeah!
Liz Cross again. I never asked your name.
Isaac Clarke, systems engineer.
Engineer. Have you seen Jacob Temple?
I haven't. But I'm looking for someone too. Dr. Nicole Brennan.
Dr. Brennan. Doesn't she help people leave unitology?
Yeah, like my mother. That's how we met.
I hope she's okay. The unitologists here didn't like anyone questioning them. And since the captain died, they've all snapped.
Alright, up we go. Oh shit, it's the 3rd floor, isn't it? Damn it. I'll come back to this one. How many credits do I have? $33,350, and I'm doing okay with ammo. Fuck you. Alright. Straight ahead. What am I hearing? Die, you bastard! Oh, you got a friend. Where's your friend? Was that you? I thought one of your mates came then. Alright. 2nd floor, maybe? Yep, it is. Going down to the 2nd floor. Injecting WHEEZERS. Where am I going? This way. Alright. 3rd Wheezer! Where is it? Do I want anything from the store? I don't think I'm going to buy anything, but I will sell this. Where is it? Selling that for 10,000 right there. Move to storage. Do I have anything in storage? Yeah, just all the weapons. Alright. Do I really want to buy some plasma ammo? Plasma cutter ammo? I don't know. I might as well just get a few. You never know. And one more. There you go. At least I can just load it up then. Oh, well, fuck me. I'll remember these. They get too close and they just explode. Come on, who's next? Nothing. Forget it. Yes, give me the ammo. No, I'm not getting close to these things unless they're dead. These things can ruin my day. They can destroy me. They can destroy poor old Chester. Don't need that shit. Oh, a node. I will take the node. Money. And money.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh, I saw that. Oh, you little shit. Give me that. Where do I go? Through there. Alright. Come on, where is it? I can hear it. There you are. Don't run from me! Oh, you fuck, I thought you were dead. Shit. Is there another one? No, I don't think there is. Oh, there is. Alright. Oh no, it's not one of you. Oh my god. Are you dead? No, you're not dead. God damn it. Is that it? No? Mate, are you dead or are you alive? No, I think he's dead. Alright. You stop polluting everything. Alright. Let's take one of these. And back we go.
Entering zero gravity.
Just want to get out of here. If I can remember the way. Through here. I am not waiting. I am off. See you later.
Zero gravity.
Yes, I am gone. What the hell? Ooh! No! Okay, moving on. I don't like these things. I know I say that a lot about every enemy. But I mean it with these guys. Okay. So I've just got to swap the battery round. Alright, so it'll be... down. Is it nothing to do with that then? There you go. Do I have any stasis? Yes, I do. Alright. The hell? Open! Where are you, you stinky bastard?
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
I'm a bit busy. I don't think there's anything else in here. Oh, hang on. Hang on, where? Whoa! What the hell? Whoa! That isn't fair. That is not fair. Get that. Give me that. Piss off. Fuck off. False god. Oh my god. Those enemies just appeared out of nowhere. Bloody game. Sometimes the game just has trouble catching up sometimes, and it just does not load up shit quick enough. Alright, give me that. Alright, in here.
Isaac, I looked across the notes on the... Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Kendra?
It was him. 2 doors behind you. Here. Wait, he's gone. He waved at me, and... sorry, Isaac. Keep going. A glitch on cameras. It looked like my little brother. Stupid Ray. That's not possible.
You just have a look what's in here. Okay, storage. Alright. I'm pretty good with things at the moment. I'm going to buy some more plasma ammo though. How much do I actually want to buy? 18. Yeah, why not? Why not? Buy some of that. And we are good. Oof. Okay, I've actually got to go that way. Alright, because we need to kill another WHEEZER. I'm not sure where he'll be. Alright. I hear him. Oh. No, 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 no. No, quarantine! Oh my god! Oh my god, I have no stasis. I have no stasis. Shit, shit, shit! Load the stasis! Oh my god. Alright. See, no. Shit, give me that. Come on, big boy! Come on, big boy. Come on. There you go. Oh, bloody hell. Alright, through here. Oh, what's that? Not that. Not that. Okay. This the last Weezer now? The fuck? Oh man, yeah, let's load that up. Alright. Okay, really, there was nothing in that. Alright. I'm going to go back to the second floor. Oh, for the love of God, really? And I'm going to save it. Where was that save station? I think it was up here, wasn't it? The hell? I have no idea where it was. Where the hell? Let's check the map. Where's the bloody map? Alright. Save station. Where is it? I have no idea where it was. Where would it be? Where would it be? There it is. Alright. Right, that's all the WHEEZERS taken care of, I think. So, if there's anything else, I will deal with that next time. I'm going to leave it there today, people. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, maybe think about subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.